Whenever you watch a movie, the company logo and the director's name fades in, then fades back out. And we're going to do that right now with this particular piece of film. And we're going to create a new layer called Fade Box, as you see I already have here. And then I'm going to go get my rulers by going to View Rulers. And I'm going to draw some guides just so I know where the boundaries of this particular footage lie. So I'm going to go like this and just draw some guides out. I'm just dragging them straight out of the rulers. Click and drag right out of the ruler. Now I'm going to hide these rulers now. And I'm going to just make sure that everything is centered here. So I'm pressing the Command or Control key and the 3 on the keyboard. Now I'm going to draw a box that has a black fill and no stroke. I'm going to draw that to cover the entire stage like so. Then I'm going to select this box and I'm going to press F8 on the keyboard. And I'm going to turn this into a graphic symbol. I'm going to call it Fade. Click OK. Now I have a symbol. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a keyframe at frame 15. And I'm going to go back to frame 1 now. I'm going to click on the box. And I'm going to go down to, let me just grab this up so you can see it. Choose color, alpha. And I'm going to make sure that the alpha is 100%, which means that you see the black box. It's completely there. So now we're going to go to frame 15. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to turn the alpha to 0 now. We're going to fade this out. So now it's going to fade in. So it's all completely black, then see through. Now let's go to the end of our presentation and do the same thing. At frame 50, let's go ahead and press F6 to add a keyframe. We'll click on our box, and we will make sure the alpha is still at 0 because we want the logo to stay on the screen. Now we're going to go to the last frame, press F6 once more, click on our fade box, and increase the alpha back to 100%. Now let's go ahead and tween this by selecting the keys and all the frames in between by clicking on the layer name and choosing Motion Tween. And now we're going to go to the very first frame here and watch our movie fade in and out. So I'm going to press Enter or Return on the keyboard. And you get the awesome fade in and fade out effect for your film. It's a great way to start the film off. It looks very professional that way.